I'm Roberto Grande, and it's the California fresh fig season, which means it's time to get excited about cooking something simple and delicious. And with California fresh figs, a delicious dish is just a few minutes away. Now, if you can resist eating them fresh out of the basket, like with some cheese or a little bit of dried meat, here's a simple recipe for you. It's a fig and mustard relish. It starts with the fresh figs, and if they're overripe or a little soft, even better. First, I just take the stems off, which we discard, and then we can dice up the whole fig. Or if you'd like, sometimes I just like to mash the whole fig right into like a little bit of a fig puree. You can see how delicious and luscious these look. A little mashing, a little mincing. Once we mash these figs, I'm going to transfer them to a mixing bowl. And then I'm going to add a little bit of sauteed garlic in some olive oil. To that, a little spicy hot mustard to get that sort of sweet and spicy, savory character. A little pinch of red chili flakes. A little touch of vinegar for that kind of sweet and sour. And then just that little pinch of salt. A little bit of crushed pepper. If you'd like, you can even add some fresh herbs or just a little bit of chopped parsley. And now I'm going to mix it up, turn the whole thing into this luscious, flavorful fig and mustard relish. And that is it. So this is a very simple and delicious fresh fig mustard sauce, wonderful with roasted meats or roasted chicken or grilled meats. Here I have some wonderful lamb loin chops. I'm just going to put a little bit on top of each one just to sort of embellish it, to make them extra delicious. So when you think delicious, think figs. And when you think figs, think California.